Hey, what's up, Alexa? Corey here. Real quick, I'm going to shoot over a few tips that you can actually apply to your website. That way, you can actually start outranking your competition and really grow your business here. The three things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. So the first thing, really, content. Google loves words. Everything that you see, Google sees, which is all content as well. These images, it all has content behind it. You can actually put keywords behind there. That'll just help with your ranking, so you can actually get on that first page of Google there. So really, first tip, being about 1,500 words, maybe 2,000, being really descriptive in who you are, what you do, plus having that much content, you can actually add in those keywords. Those keywords are what people are actually searching for and how you're actually being found, which I'll go over keywords in just a minute and show you how many people are actually searching for this in the area. But if I go inside of Google here and type in gutter cleaning Santa Clara, this is what you're going to see. You got to say these Google guarantees. These are just brand new type of ads. A lot of people have been going to wait these old school ads, which they put them down at the bottom just because they've been spammy. These ones are up here at the top. These Google guarantees supposed to help block out some of those spammy calls. A lot of people got ad blockers, so a lot of ads aren't even going through. I don't know if you're running ads. I'll see here in a minute. But right here in this little map section, you have a bunch of businesses competing to get to the very top in this GMB or Google My Business, whatever you want to call it. So right here, the top three sections is really where all the traffic actually happens, multiple pages as well. And to get here to the very top, you're going to be dealing with a lot of citations. What citations are just our online business directories with your business name, address, phone number listed on it. So ideally, what you'd want to do is go get those same citations from your top competitors. We don't want to stop there. We obviously want to go out and outrank them, of course. And I would do maybe 50 or even 100 times the amount of citations that they have. So when Google comes by and does all their algorithms and whatnot, they got no reason to put you in the very top for all that work that you've done on it in this listing here. Underneath this map pack or GMB, whatever you want to call it, we have where all the organic traffic happens on that first page of Google. And really to get your website from those back pages on that first page, you're going to be dealing with a lot of dealing with all that content, making sure that you're found for those keywords. Those keywords are what people are searching for, and also what comes down to what's called a backlink. Not all backlinks are actually created equal. Kind of give you an idea here. I took your URL and stuck it inside of Ahrefs. Ahrefs is just a tool, just lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. So right now you got one referring domain pushing back 6 backlinks. Looks like historically you've had about 11 there. Maybe this is looks like you've started this thing back in November of 2020 or so. But let me show you one of your competitors. This is a Clean Pro Gutters, whatever. I stuck them inside of Ahrefs. They're actually really not ranking that great. Here's their position with these keywords, the amount of traffic that they're getting, then also the amount of volume for each keyword, and of course the keywords themselves. But they're only got, their best position is 4th position, which is they're only getting 7 clicks from Gutter Cleaning San Jose. But I kind of want to give you an example of some of the keywords that we'd actually want to go after, and actually doing enough backlinking, you can actually get in that position where you can actually get about 15 to 20% of each keyword. So kind of give you an idea here, Gutter Cleaning San Jose, there's 80 clicks. San Jose Gutter Cleaning, there's another 20 clicks. Rain Gutter San Jose, another 30 clicks. Gutters San Jose, another 20 clicks. Rain Gutter Cleaning Fremont CA, 20. So really just coming in, finding all these different keywords, and also maybe some if you have another service that we can add in there just to really bring that volume a lot higher and gaining about 15 to 20% of those clicks to your site. But anyway, hopefully that all made sense. I love to put a custom game plan to help you out there. Or if you just want to apply these 3 free tips, that's fine too. I look forward to chatting soon. Bye.